Hey, so we are doing something really unique today. We are doing DNA My Dog. We got this from DNA My Dog, and we're gonna find out what's in Gus's history. We know he's a Chinese Crested, but we're gonna find out what else is in there. So,
from Africa.
Chinese Cresteds are from Africa, that's true. All right, so we're gonna swab him. Okay, so your dog's unique DNA. Easy and painless dog DNA cheek swab kit. 1 minute. Discover your dog's full breed composition. Unique personality traits of your dog. I think we know. He bites. Genetic health concerns plus a percentage of every breed in your dog plus much, much more. Results in just 2 weeks. Okay. Stop fighting on my shirt.
I think we'll find out that he was a dinosaur in a previous life.
Maybe. It seems like. Although he doesn't have the teeth for it.
No.
Okay, so we got a lot of stuff in here. Let's see what's in here. Okay. We have an envelope. We have another envelope. We have instructions. Okay. Well, do you want to help? Okay. Congratulations. You're about to discover your dog's unique... Okay. He's like,
Gus, behave.
I don't want it.
No, he wants it very badly.
Okay, six easy steps. So the second... No. Where'd he go? Gus?
He says, I'm done with this.
Come here, Gus.
Okay, Gus.
Okay, we've switched to see if Leo is any better at this than I am.
You'll be all right. See?
How's it going?
I'll show you how to do it. I'll show you.
In there.
Okay.
You're way better at this than I am. You win.
Dog whisperer.
You are. We have to let it dry for 25 minutes. He's like, you are. He's practically comatose now. Okay, so now we let it dry for 25 minutes. We put it in the other envelope. We send it back, and in 2 weeks, we'll have results.
Oh, yeah.
What did you do to him?
Oh, this happens all the time. I'm the dog whisperer. Because I speak like this. Guys, hello. Well, we have some news. We did as you know, the swabs inside Gus's mouth, and the results for the DNA came, and we're going to take a look at them now. DNA My Dog has given us these, and these are certified breed analysis of Gus's breed analysis. I think he might have a little bit of Egyptian in him because he lives big pyramids. Anyway.
What did the results say? And the Oscar goes
Canine
to...
breed determination, your dog's unique DNA. Gus. Level 1, Chinese Crested. 75%.
What did it say as the other 25%?
Yeah. The Chinese Crested is a great family dog, of
True.
course, and loves nothing more than to be around people they love.
Fact. And
they have a gambling problem.
What? That's not a fact at all.
Well, I thought it could happen. And as you can see...
Oh, look at that, level 1.